My name is Monish. Today's my topic is on data lake. So the data lake is the concept where the the large amounts of data is stored in a so in an efficient method. Like so each and every company will be having a lots of data which will be stored in a form of database. So the large volume can this can cause is a significant change in the um, in the storaging or the implementation where to retrieve it. So in this method, like so, data lake is an efficient method where we can store the data which can be used for operation and implementation. So what exactly the data lake is? So the data lake is is a technology which is introduced by Apache Hadoop for the processing of the large volumes of data, where this is run through the this is processed through the machine learning and machine learning and data analytics model, where the data based on the data, the real-time movement will be scheduled, and this is scalable for the few future purposes. And so the database, the distributed database computing system is processed on the parallel multiple computers. So the MapReduce framework is used in order to break the key sector in this. And using the so MapReduce is a programming model which is used for processing and analyzing the large volumes of the data in the distributed computing environment, where MapReduce works as a breakdown into the large data sets into the smaller subsets, which can be processed into the parallel across a multiple computers. So and MapReduce is a component of the Hadoop framework, and it is used for the batch processing and data transformation. So for example, if the input some data is given through the MapReduce framework, it reduces to um, the simpler tasks, and it is processed as the output. So Yarn is another framework where it is mainly used as a resource management sector, where it has a flexible and scalable platform for running and running different types of applications, including the MapReduce, Spark, and Hive. So it can be used as a cluster, and so it is one of the component in the and coming to the Apache Spark is an framework where the data can be used and the large volumes of the data which can be processed to the MapReduce. And this can be an this can this pro- this will be this acts as an key factor in the data lake sector, where, for example, like so taking the example of a client, like so we'll be for example, like in an e-commerce sector, we'll be getting a lot of data from the customers, where we process it, and so we store it in the um, database. And so where we use it for the future references, this can be a proper way of authentication. And the Hadoop ecosystem usually consists of the HBase, Hive, Pig, and Scoop tools, and like these are mainly used to analyze the data. And so a Hive and HBase, the both are the warehousing tool, and the HBase is the NoSQL database, which is alternate to the MongoDB. And so by using these, like the large volumes of the data can be analyzed, and the scaling can be easier because there is no SQL database, and like the process can be a bit easier than when compared to the previous methods. And in conclusion, like the data lake is a powerful solution like for maintaining storage and um, storing the data. And the Hadoop provides a good framework for the MapReduce and Apache Spark and HDFS. And so the tools and technology are really good in this process, and the leveraging these technologies can be a good deal. And so here I conclude with my presentation. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.